Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France Garon. Today what we're making is, we have a little dinner party here tonight, and what I want to prepare for a little entree is something very simple. Everything that I cook is always healthy, so this is no different. It's going to be a really healthy dinner tonight. So our little entree is a very simple entree. It's avocado and prawn salad, and I've prepared quite a few things already here. I cut the avocado. I was lucky to find some avocado that was just perfect for today, and what I did is I cut them a few minutes ago, but I put some lemon juice on top, so that stops them from oxidizing or going brown, so they're gonna stay with the beautiful green color, so they're ready to go on our little salad. I've got some prawns here that I have cooked already, so very simple. I use the raw prawns or green prawns, and those are all peeled, no tails. And so how I cook them is I make sure that I'm ready to go. Boil the water with some salt. When the water is boiling, I throw them in. 1 minute. Then I take them out and I put them immediately in cold water to stop the cooking. You will notice if you cook them too much, they go curly, and they go like they look really smaller. So the worst thing to do is to cook them too much. 1 minute, 1.5 minutes is plenty for prawns. So that's what we did here, and I have some hearts of palm here just to add on to our little salad. It's that simple. So we're gonna just put that onto the lettuce. Now I've chosen this lettuce today just because at the supermarket is the one that was looking good. You can use the Boston, or you can use any lettuce that you like. Let's start. And you know, I think when you make something that simple and healthy, it has to look good. Don't just throw it together. Just take the time to make it look good. And so I've chosen some nice leaves here, and I'm gonna put some avocado like this. Let's just that, and add our prawns just like this, and some palm, heart of palm. So that's how it's gonna look, simple. I will add a little bit of parsley, fresh parsley. Now, I'm gonna build the other ones later, but for our dressing for that, I made it yesterday, my dressing, in a little jar like that. I like to keep the little glass jar for dressing because it's easy to shake it up. It closes really well. So what's in it is there's half a lemon juice, the juice of half a lemon. There's 3 cloves of garlic, and olive oil. And so I want it to be really garlicky, this dressing. So I've put 3 cloves of garlic here, and a little bit of stevia for sweetener. I always have a little bit of sweet in the dressing. Now what I'm gonna do with this dressing is I'm gonna strain it, because I don't want to have all this garlic on my salad. I just want the taste of it. So that's why I made it yesterday, and I let it be for overnight. And now we have our beautiful vinaigrette that's garlic infused. Now I'm not gonna throw that. I'm gonna do something with this later. I'm sure I'll find a way of using it. And we're gonna just go and put a little bit of our dressing. And voila, that's our little entree. It's simple, it's fresh, it's delicious, and it's healthy. Bon appetit!